City, Cebu.
SM City, Cebu, Brent Manalo! Basta yung flight? Nakapagpahinga ka ba?
Wala, pero syempre, na-boost yung energy ko. Kasunod ako.
Yes, sir! Siyempre! Okay, Brent! Ano muna masasabi natin sa pinakamamahal na mga Cebuano nandito para sa'yo?
Hihi, gugumati ka! Tama ba yung pagkasabi ko? Tama. Tama. I love you guys. I love you guys so much. Thank you for showing up. Of course, it's a special moment for me because finally, I'm part of Club Pen Shop and I'm so excited to show you guys the entire collection. Later, mag-store visit kami. I'll be back after this.
Alright. Okay, Brent. So, marami nang pinagdaanan ng isang Brent Manalo. Recently, pen shop mall tour lang namin sa Mega Mall. Pero busy ka pa nun, and now you're here, and everything is just, there's so much love for you. You feel overwhelming? Anong pakiramdam na nangyayari ngayon sa buhay mo?
Marami daw pang paniwala na ganito karami yung nag-show up for us. But, I'm really grateful for everyone. Marami pong salamat. Love you guys.
Alright. Okay, Brent. So before we move on to our performances, okay, at this point, tutulungan mo naman kami, bubunot tayo. Bubunot tayo because it's time for our raffle! It's time to draw 3 players for race for speed. Brent, ito yung pinaka-inaantay ng ating club pen ambassadors. May mananalo na ng Yamaha Mio Fazio. Uwi ng motorcycle ngayong hapon. The first winner because we have 2 winners tonight. Okay guys, this is what we need. Kailangan po muna natin kumalma. Okay, para kay Brent. Kalma muna tayo. Because at this point, we are going to use the racetrack. Racetrack na nandito po. Guys, we need to move back for us to start and continue. Kailangan po natin mag-move back. Okay? Bunot na po muna tayo while we are setting up the racetrack. Okay, so we are going to grab 3 names po. 3 participants will be riding this pedal cart. 1 player at a time, and will each be timed to complete 2 full laps. Okay? Guys, dito rin ako. Nandito muna tayo. Brent! Nandiyan na si Brent. Relax. Okay? May mag-uwi ng Yamaha Mio Fazio. 2 laps around, 1 by 1, 3 participants. Alam ko, ang pogi sa personal, no? Iba sa personal eh. Okay, 2 full laps, ang pinakamabilis, siya po ang unang mag-uwi ng Yamaha Mio Fazio. Brent, we need your help. It's time for you. So get 1 name. Sige, ikot mo muna, sir. Sure ball na. At random. 3 names. You wanna read it? I can read it for you. Sarvius para sa Yamaha Mio Fazio. 4, 3, 2, 1. Wala. 1. Lazas Junior. Junior. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wala pa rin. My goodness. 5, 4, 3. Are you here? You're here? Nandito! Perfect! Okay, 2 more. Mr. Brent? o Larat? Ikaw na lang. 5, 4, 3, 2, hold on! Congratulations, dito muna tayo sa harapan. Kiara, one last. More to go. Thank you, sir. Michael. 4, 3, 2, 1. Wala. One more participant. Starlito B. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mr. Brent, salamat po. Madeline. Are you here? Is that you po? Miss Madeline, that's you? Okay, perfect. 3 out of 3, guys. Oh, sorry. We're going to have to disqualify one of them, unfortunately, because of her outfit. Hindi daw po pwede dahil sa racetrack. Naka-skirt. Okay, one more. Brent. Guys, this is your chance. Cross your fingers, Margie. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sorry, wait lang. Ano po? Kayo po ito? That's you. Okay, yung habang si Margie. Perfect. Okay, we have 3 participants. Okay, yung tatlo po nating participants, dito po tayo sa harapan, kasama ni Brent Manalo. Okay. Okay, pangalan po natin, tsaka taga saan po? Sa Cebu. Dilim from Lapu-Lapu, guys. Cebu City, Marjeline, and ano po pangalan? Marjeline, Lapu-Lapu City. Okay guys, isa po sa inyo ang mag-uwi ng Yamaha Mio Fazio. Iikot po tayo dito sa racetrack, magpe-pedal po tayo. 2 laps. Ang pinaka-ma-excel ang makakauwi. Pero, pag may natamaan po tayong obstacle or race track na cone, meron pong idadagdag na 10 seconds. So, kailangan maingat po tayo. We have to be cautious. Naintindihan ba? Okay, Mr. Brent Manalo, can you wish them luck? Isang good luck naman sa kanila. Good luck, Brent! Okay, players, baba na po tayo. Okay, here we go. Racetrack number 1. Participant number 1. Meron po tayong timer dito. On our staff's cue. Ready. Set. Go!
Let's go.
Go. One more to go. Let's go. 19 seconds. Mag-iingat po tayo. Palakpakan naman po natin our first participant. 35 seconds yung time to be Brent, pag nandyan ka, ano sa tingin mo? Gaano kabilis pag ikaw na
Siguro, 30 seconds na
30 seconds?
15 seconds each lap.
Competitive. Participant number 2, the time to beat po is 35 seconds. Here we go, ready? Are you ready? Ready, set, go!
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go! Let's go!
Here we go, 14 seconds. One more lap, one more lap. Konti na lang, the time to beat is 35. Laban po, laban, laban. Finish, let's finish, let's finish. And that is time. Thank you so much. Contestant number 2, Margie is still in the lead at 30. One more to go. Okay. Mr. Brent Manalo, kayo na lang mag-cue kung ready na.
Are you ready?
Here we go!
3, 2, 1, go! Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Let's go, push, 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 push. More lap. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. We have a winner! May mag-uwi na ng Yamaha Mio Fazio! With Brent Manalo, dito po tayo sa gitna ang mag-uwi po ng Yamaha Mio Fazio! Congratulations! Picture po tayo. Ayun dalawa. Alright, thank you so much. Alright, maraming salamat po, Brent. Okay, Brent, gusto na natin mag-selfie with you, with everyone here. Can we all have a photo with Brent Manalo? Club Ben. Big smiles.
See you both later.
Alright, one more time, ladies and gentlemen, Brent Manalo! Okay, here we go. Congratulations po